Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Translator app on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. The BlindShell Classic phone does come with a translator built in, so let's jump right into it. It's in the More Applications section, so we're going to scroll to the right until we hear that.
Messages 2 of contacts 3, more applications 4 of 9.
There it is. We're going to click OK.
Tools 1 of 5.
The translator is located in the Tools section, so we're just going to click OK again.
Alarm 1 of 9.
Now, it said 9 items in here. Translator is actually the very last one. So instead of scrolling to the right all the way through all the others, your list here is a rotating list. So I'm just going to scroll to the left to jump all the way to the end.
Translator 9 of 9.
There it is. Translator, let's click OK.
Source language English 1 of 4.
Now we have 4 options in here. The first one is the source language. This is the language that you're trying to translate the word from. We're going to click to the right.
Target language Spanish 2 of 4.
Target language, this is what you want to translate the word to. Continuing to the right.
Word 3 of 4.
Word, obviously that's what we're going to translate. Continuing one more.
Translate 4 of 4.
And that's the one we actually perform the action. So let's go back.
Word target source language English 1 of 4.
Let's click into here and see what options we have.
English selected 5 of 17.
17 different languages in here available.
Estonian not selected 6 of 17. Finnish not selected 7 of 17. French not selected 8 of 17.
Now we're just going to leave it at English for right now. I'm going to hit the back button.
Source language English 1 of 4.
And we're going to click to the right.
Target language Spanish 2 of 4.
And let's go into here and see how many target languages we have available.
Spanish selected 16 of 17.
There you go. So same number, 17, and lots of different options. We'll just leave it at Spanish for right now, just for this demonstration. So we're going to go back.
Target language Spanish 2 of 4.
Now let's click to the right.
Word 3 of 4.
And let's choose a word that we want to translate.
Word.
Now I clicked OK, and we heard the little beep that indicates we just opened up a text field. So now we need to enter in the word that we want to translate, and how about we just do house? That's a nice easy one. Now of course we can use our voice dictation to dictate the word in here, but for this example we'll go ahead and spell it out just so you guys can see that process.
Capital G, capital H, M, N, O, T, U, P, Q, R, S, D, E.
And I'm going to click OK.
Word, house 3 of 4.
So you see, with a little practice using the keypad, you can type out words pretty quickly. So we have our word in there, house. Now we need to click to the right.
Translate 4 of 4.
To actually perform the action. I'm going to click OK.
Loading. House. Noun. 2 translations found. 1 of 2.
So it repeated the word, it told us what the word was, in this case it's a noun, and it said we have 2 options. And it automatically put us on translation number 1. I can click to the right.
House. Verb. 1 translation found. 2 of 2.
And it said the second translation is actually a verb. So let's go back to the first one, which was the noun.
House. Noun. 2 translations found. 1 of 2.
And I'm going to click OK.
Casa. Feminine. Noun. 1 of 2.
And it spoke the translation. It spoke the word in Spanish, which is indeed casa. And it said it's a feminine translation, which was very interesting. If I wanted to repeat this, I wanted to hear it again, just like anywhere on the phone, if I just click down on the directional pad, it will read out what's on the screen.
Casa. Feminine. Noun. 1 of 2.
Now if I click to the right,
Vivienda. Feminine. Noun. 2 of 2.
I have another translation. So let's go back.
House. Noun. 2 translations found. 1 of 2.
And let's scroll to the right and see what that verb was.
House. Verb. 1 translation found. 2 of 2.
And I want to see what this one is, so I need to click OK.
Albergar. Verb. 1 of 1.
There you go. Very interesting. I didn't know that was a verb translation of house. So we'll go back.
House.
And we'll go back again.
Translate 4 of 4.
And we're going to click to the left.
Word. House 3 of 4.
And house is still in here, but if I clicked OK,
Word. House.
I can delete that.
Deleted.
Just by long pressing the back button, that will delete all the letters at once. And then I can go in and put in another word and translate that if I would like to. So this can be very helpful if you're out traveling and you want to try and communicate with the local culture. You can translate your native language into that other language, or vice versa. Very helpful application there. That's the Translator. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like to learn more about what your BlindShell Classic mobile phone can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and watch some of our other tutorials.